Modern periodic table. Henry Moseley showed that the atomic number of an element is more fundamental property than its atomic mass. So modern periodic tableचो basis आशिल्लो atomic number and not the atomic mass. What is atomic number? Atomic number is basically the number of protons or neutrons present in the nucleus of the atom. So modern periodic tableचो basis आशिल्लो atomic number. Here the example is given of oxygen wherein O is the symbol for element oxygen. Atomic number of oxygen is 8 and atomic mass is 15.999. Properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic number. So Henry Moseley said that properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic number. जी एलिमेंट्साची प्रॉपर्टी जी असता it is based on its atomic number and not the atomic mass. Atomic number denoted by Z, it is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. This is the modern periodic table of elements with 18 groups, that is this vertical columns, 18 vertical columns, 18 groups आणि 7 rows. This 7 rows हे जे असा, these are the extension of row 6th and row 7. Just एक बरो format आणि periodic table presentable दिसपाक लागून just काढला this extension आणि सकल घातला. Modern periodic table. Modern periodic table has 18 vertical columns known as groups and 7 horizontal rows known as periods. These are the groups, vertical columns, which are 18 in the modern periodic table. आणि periods जे आसा, horizontal rows called periods, ते 7 आसा in modern periodic table. The elements present in any one group have the same number of valence electrons. Electrons that reside in the outermost shell. Valence electrons म्हटल्यार electrons which are present in the outermost shell of the atom's orbit. Those are called as valence electrons. By rule, जे elements असता which are present in one group, एका ग्रुपान जे elements असता ते सगळे elements will have same number of valence electrons in their valence shell. This is the similarity shared by all the elements present in one group. For example, we'll see the second group elements. Second group elements, all elements will be having 2 electrons in their outermost shell. So, second group elements खंयचे? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Second group elements will have 2 valence electrons in their outermost shell. First example, beryllium, in which see total electrons 4 asa 4, which have been distributed in the configuration of 2 and 2, s orbital and p. S orbital जो असा, it will have 2 electrons आणि p orbital जो असा, it will have more 2 electrons. p orbit जो असा, it is the valence shell आणि valence electrons म्हटल्यार the electrons which are present in the last or the valence shell. हांगा कितले? तर 1 आणि 2. So beryllium has 2 valence electrons. Magnesium total electrons are 12. So distribution कशें तर s orbitan 2 electron, because s orbital can accommodate only 2 electrons, not more than that. P orbital can accommodate up to 8 electrons, not more than that. So 2, 8 and then 2. So again valence shell has 2 valence electrons. Calcium total electrons are 20. Configuration is 2, 8, 8 and again 2. So valence electrons 1, 1 and 2. This is the similarity shown by all the elements present in one group. They will be sharing same number of valence electrons. Number of shells increases as we go down the group. आता हो एक diagrammatic view पोवया आमी of atom. Atom has a nucleus आणि orbits. जेतून electrons revolve जाता, electrons move जाता. First orbit जे आसा or first shell, it can hold up to 2 electrons. Second shell 8 electrons and third shell again 8 electrons. So as we go down the group, number of shells increases. So in a group, first जे element असतले, it will have less number of shells as compared to the last element in a group. So last element जे असतले, it will be bigger in size. किद्याक तर number of shells will be more as compared to the first element. Here, आता in this diagram, if we see hydrogen, lithium, sodium, हे सगळे एलिमेंट्स इन वन ग्रुप फॉल जाता आणि हायड्रोजन लिथियम आणि सोडियम पळयत तर हायड्रोजनाची जी सायज आसा इट विल बी लेस कंपेअर टू लिथियम लिथियम विल बी स्मॉलर कंपेअर टू सोडियम कित्याक तर दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ द इन्क्रीजिंग नंबर ऑफ शेल्स डाउन द ग्रुप नंबर ऑफ शेल्स इन्क्रीज जाता more and more shells add जायत वयता to the atom which causes the increase in size of the atom. Elements in a period have same number of shells. In the previous slide, we have seen कि elements जे belong करता in one group, all those elements show similarity with respect to the valence electrons. Valence electrons म्हटल्यार electrons जे valence shellan असता. So all the elements जे एक ग्रुपान belong करता, they show same number of valence shell electron. आता in period जे elements fall जाता they also show similarity and that is with respect to the number of shells जे आसा of all the elements that belong to one period will be same. Now for example, sodium configuration is 281, number of shell is 3, 1, 2 and 3. Magnesium again 3. Aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. All these elements have got 3 shells in the atom. Here sodium, magnesium, aluminium, C. 1, 2, 3. So हे सगळे elements 3 shells दाखयता. Following, there are 3 shells so belongs to third group. So since they show 3 shells in their atom, they belong to third group. Number of elements placed in a particular period depends upon the fact that how electrons filled into various shells. आता in a period, elements खंयच्या sequencean arrange केला it depends on the number of electrons present in the valence shell. आता hydrogen आणि helium समज पळयत it belongs to group 1. Why? Because only one shell is present. Here, only one shell is present. आता the sequence जेथून हे arrange केला will depend on the number of electrons present in this valence shell. So hydrogen only one will be present and in helium two. So helium will come after hydrogen. Moving to second period, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Number of shells? Don't. 2. So they belongs to second period. And sequence, lithium, only one valence electron will be there. Beryllium, 2 electrons. Boron, 3 electrons. So this is how अशा sequencean based on the increasing number of valence shell electrons, a sequence will be formed जेथून elements with the increasing number of electrons will be placed. Maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in a shell is given by 2n raised to 2. 2n raised to 2 a formula by using which तुम्ही find out करपाक शकता like what is the maximum number of electrons accommodated into a particular shell where n is the number of shell. So this is the diagrammatic view of an atom showing the nucleus and the shells or nucleus and these are the shells जे surround करता nucleusaक. This is the first shell or the K shell wherein n is equals to 1. N is the number of shell. So number of shell is 1 K shell. Second is L shell. Number of shell 2. N is equals to 2. Third M shell. Number of shell N is equals to 3. And fourth N shell. Number of shell N is equals to 4. By using this formula, you can find out the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in all these shells. So example, for K shell, हो जो आसा for K shell, first shell, हो समज formula use करीत 2n raised to 2. By using this formula 2n raised to 2, we can find out कितले number of electrons can be accommodated in this shell. n जो आसा तेच्या जाग्यार 1 सबस्टिट्यूट करपाचो. वाय? बिकॉज n इज इक्वल्स टू 1. सो हांगा आफ्टर सबस्टिट्यूशन 2 एनाच्या जाग्यार 1 रेज टू 2, 1 स्क्वेअर. 1 square will be 1, 2 into 1 will be 2. So, maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in the K shell is 2. Second, for L shell, 2 एनाच्या जाग्यार 2 substitute करपाचो. Answer will be 8. How? 2 square is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. For M shell, एनाच्या जाग्यार 3 substitute करपाचो. 3 square 9. 9 into 2 18. M shell asa, it can accommodate up to 18 electrons. And for N shell, 2 in the bracket 4 square is equals to 32. 4 square 16. 16 into 2 32. So this N shell can accommodate up to 32 electrons. Position of the element in the periodic table tells us about its reactivity. So, एक एलिमेंटाचे पोझिशन पोवन इन द पिरियडिक टेबल आमकां कळपाक शकता इट्स रिएक्टिविटी, वेदर इट्स शोईंग मेटल रिएक्टिविटी, नॉन मेटल रिएक्टिविटी, एक्सेट्रा. Metal reactivity increases in going from right to left of the periodic table, and non-metallic reactivity increases from left to right. So हांगा जे आमकां metals मेळटले they will be non-metallic. हांगा जे मेळटले they will be metallic.